What is up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite lower calorie, lower sugar, and better for you snack alternatives to some of your favorite and probably my favorite snacks that are generally high in calories, full of sugar, and not the best for us. So before I do get into the video, I do want to put a bit of a disclaimer on this video to say that no food is out of bounds, and I believe in moderation and balance, and every single thing here is an okay food to eat. But this video is to show you that there are so many alternatives out there for different foods, and if your goal is to be eating less sugar, making healthier choices, and eating fewer calories, maybe because you're on a fitness journey or whatever it may be, this is the video for you. So let's get straight into it. I'll be sharing the higher calorie snack versus the lower calorie, lower sugar, probably better for you snack. I'll also be sharing the calories and sugar in both of them so you can kind of see the difference. And each snack, so the higher calorie and the lower calorie, will also be the same weight. So you'll also be able to see how much more of the lower calorie snack you can have, and it equals the same amount as the higher calorie snack. So you can actually eat more for less, if that makes sense. So let's go.
It's sunny out of most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons